At EMO Hannover 2023, the Renishaw team looks forward to welcoming you to our stand.
As manufacturers ourselves, we face the same problems as you, our customers. We've met these challenges here in our factories by applying Renishaw technology. We gladly share our learning and many years' experience with you.
Visitors to our EMO stand can meet our smart manufacturing experts who will show you how we have built process control experience into our latest software and applications. Visitors can also learn how integrated metrology on the shop floor enables successful automation of a CNC machining process.
As your partner for innovative manufacturing, we're here to help you overcome skill shortages, to increase your manufacturing productivity and to ensure your business is fit for the future. Being globally competitive, flexible and sustainable are key objectives. Across all industry sectors, how you respond to global challenges such as zero waste, electrification and rapidly changing customer expectations will shape your future success.
Visit our EMO stand to see our latest smart factory solutions and how they support the automation, digitalization and control of your entire process. Experience how our technologies support end-to-end manufacturing in both CNC machining and additive manufacturing.
If you're thinking about actionable process data, then help is at hand. Discover Renishaw Central, our platform for machine shop connectivity and data-driven manufacturing. Renishaw Central can provide you with the right data at the right place at the right time, enabling you to control your processes consistently and with confidence. If you're a machine tool builder or a motion systems manufacturer, explore the latest innovations in motion control and machine calibration, including sensors and software for your new products, automation and smart factory solutions.
With our industry-leading technologies, we say, why compromise on speed, accuracy and flexibility? And wherever you are on your manufacturing journey, we have the answers. Come and see us at EMO and discover why Renishaw is your partner for innovative manufacturing. Visit us in Hall 6, stand B32, where we look forward to welcoming you.